Imagine your blood being cleaned by a machine because your kidneys can't do it anymore. This is hemodialysis, a life-saving treatment that literally filters your blood outside your body. Let's dive deep into hemodialysis. How a machine keeps you alive. First, let's talk about the kidneys. These bean-shaped organs do more than just making urine. They filter out waste, control blood pressure, balance fluids, and even help produce red blood cells. But what happens when they fail? When the kidneys can't filter your blood effectively, toxins build up. Waste products like urea and creatinine increase. Potassium can spike to dangerous levels, and fluid overload can cause heart failure. This is where hemodialysis comes in. It acts as an artificial kidney. What is hemodialysis? Hemodialysis is a medical procedure that removes waste, excess fluid, and toxins from the blood outside the body. Dialysis occurs in steps. Step 1. Vascular access. First, a special access point is needed. This could be a fistula, a connection between an artery and a vein; a graft, a synthetic tube connecting an artery and vein; or a central venous catheter, usually temporary. Step 2. The blood circuit. 2 needles are inserted into this access site. One pulls blood out and sends it to the dialysis machine. Inside the machine, the blood flows through a dialyzer, a filter made of thousands of hollow fibers. Step 3. Filtration. As blood flows through the dialyzer, a special fluid called dialysate flows in the opposite direction. It draws out waste, electrolytes, and excess water by a process called diffusion and ultrafiltration. Step 4. Clean blood returns. After the blood is cleaned, it returns to your body. The whole process takes about 3 to 5 hours, typically done 3 times a week. Let's discuss the benefits and risks of hemodialysis. Benefits of hemodialysis: removes life-threatening toxins, extends lifespan, improves symptoms of kidney failure. Risks of hemodialysis: infection from vascular access, low blood pressure, blood clots, fatigue, and dietary restrictions. That's why dialysis centers are highly regulated. Nurses and technicians monitor patients closely during each session. It's very important to discuss the alternatives of hemodialysis which you can adopt despite hemodialysis. Hemodialysis isn't the only option. There's peritoneal dialysis, done at home through the abdomen. Then there's the ultimate goal, a kidney transplant, which can free you from machines altogether.